All right, we need to take this MMO that is on Heroku servers. This MMO that's on Heroku servers that makes this kind of fractal geometry bomb game we're working on. It works on Heroku, but it isn't working on Google App Engine. We need to fix that. And in the top level helper functions section, we have reviewed this never know promise section right here. So these are some monkey wrench macros, and then this right here takes an executor that only accepts, so it only has one parameter, and then it just wraps it in a promise. So a never know is just a promise that always accepts and never rejects, and that's in this section right here. Then down here in the A server, this is all of the server-side functions. We have added another function down here. We've actually added two. We added this one, which we're not going to use, right? Serve me. I decided we're not going to do this. But then down here, we have this a server get self aim, and it's going to get the source code of the file we're currently in for pre-processing. So we're going to use this eventually, but we're going to fill it out in the next video. Then down here in the init server backend in the Node.js environment, inside of our anonymous server handler function, we need to add that code somewhere around here, because this is the route that should be serving the file that we're in, right? It's going to serve atomic IV MMO.js, but it's also going to pre-process it. So right now we're just doing this like read file, and then we're doing some pre-processing of the contents of the file down here before we send it back. But this only works in Heroku. It does not work in Google App Engine, so we have to do some changes. Here's some tags to find the never know section, and here's what we did previously. And then here is footnotes for this video, and here's what we did in this video down here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You have been on the short playlist here. You've been on video number 350. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.